Hey, it's Chico. You missed me? Yeah, yesterday we didn't do anything. I didn't shoot a video. And so for this call option series, we decided to stay on the sidelines. NASDAQ was down yesterday, as we all, those who have followed the markets, and NASDAQ is down again today. And it's coming back up. So I don't know how much legs it's got. It's made a fake earlier this morning up here when it was coming back, and then it dipped again. So who knows? It's a little bit of a ziggy zag, but maybe the selling has kind of like stabilized and people are not wanting to let up their stocks at this point. I don't know. What's interesting in the news is we got which that's what we'll do. We'll just talk about the news. Home Depot, yeah, they released earnings this morning, and the profitability was not met for this quarter, and they cut the full year profit outlook per this article. And I think there's some things in some articles they were talking about how Home Depot were saying that people are holding off on spending big. They're doing more smaller projects. Here you can see this is earning per share. They were short 374 versus 384 expected for this quarter. Revenue was in line, I would say, 41 billion. So yeah, I think it's just some softness in the market, and maybe also a high interest rate, and leads to people not wanting to do home improvement. Deferred mindset, it says here. Okay. So another news, NVIDIA announced a partnership with NVIDIA and Anthropic. So this is another hot AI news. I think it was a $30 billion deal. I don't really understand the details of it. It says in some other articles, it was talking about how Microsoft would be maybe putting some money into it, 10 billion-ish, and same with NVIDIA, 5 billion-ish. I'm not sure about those numbers. And then Anthropic would use Microsoft Azure, worth up to 30 billion. But yeah, I don't go by those numbers until we have something a little bit more solid. So yeah, Google also launched Gemini 3, the new AI model, and of course it's going to be better than the previous. At least that's what they say, and of course, I would think it would be better. Why release a new model? What's cool is I think down here it says new feature improvements to Gemini 3 in domains such as coding, reasoning, enable Google to build out a set of new features for both consumers and enterprise customers. So yeah, the company debuted the Gemini agent, and a feature that can complete multi-step tasks. So such as organizing a user's inbox or booking travel arrangements. So I think that's pretty cool. Yeah, we're making progress in AI and building these agents and applications to deliver on the promise of AI. So that is really good news. Beyond that, given where the market is, the NASDAQ, it continues to rebound today despite being in the red. I think for selling call options, I'm going to stay on the sidelines for the time being. I don't know. We will make a play this week. We do have NVIDIA reporting earnings tomorrow. Of course, there's high expectations for them. And I'm sure we'll see a very good story, hear a very good narrative story from NVIDIA. Whether the stock goes up or down, I don't know. And I don't really want to sell a call option for that given where they're at today. I think they're down close to about 180. Just above 180. Yeah. It's just not very good. If we were higher, it was like I said in the previous video, if it's around 200, I would maybe do a contract, but at this level, I don't want to do a contract. I just will rather just observe and stay on the sideline. And that's the thing. I want to stay on the sideline for now until get a better feeling for the market, because I don't want to sell a call option and have this thing like the market spiking and go into the money on us or for whatever we sell for. So yeah, that's it for now. Just give you an update. I hope you're having a good week and everything's going well for your portfolio. Okay, don't forget to like the video if you do. I'll catch you next time. I don't know when I'll shoot the next video for this call option series. If I make a play, definitely I will. But if not, then yeah, we're going to stay on the sidelines. That's it for now.